How to enable or disable keep calls in pop-up after calls are answered on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the more button. And from the pop-up menu, tap on settings. Now in call settings, we scroll down. And from here, tap on call display while using apps. Then you must select small pop-up or mini pop-up. And once you're in a pop-up display mode, you can go down and choose whether to keep calls in pop-up or not. Here I will turn it on so that after calls are answered, keep them in the pop-up. So here you can see I'm going to give myself a call and then I will answer the call. Now this is in a full screen mode, so we're going to go into settings and we're going to change it to pop-up. So it shows here the calls are already in mini pop-up. Maybe I just need to make some changes. So tap on the back key. So that shouldn't really showing a full screen incoming call. So apparently the changes that I've made has not applied. Perhaps I need to close the app altogether and then retry it. So that should have not happened. Should display in a small pop-up. So maybe that's the option there if I turn it off. So give myself another call. So it's still showing in full screen. That is kind of weird. Okay, now it is working correctly, showing a pop-up. So here when I answer the call, it is keeping the call in pop-up. Okay, once you close it, then it will just collapse. So here. Okay, that's it again. It's showing a full screen. So I just need to close that. Double check to make sure it is in pop-up mode. So it is showing small pop-up. Okay, so I think there are some kind of bug with the software right here. It's not showing in pop-up. After some time, it does actually show in pop-up, but apparently now it's not working. Try another one. So still showing. So let's see if I can make some changes to see if it works again. Really, really strange. So okay. So after I toggle this off, the pop-up shows. So I'll switch it on now. Okay, so it shows in pop-up. And here, when I answer the call, it keeps in this pop-up. If I tap on the home button, it collapses. So if we go into settings and then try the other one. So we try this mini pop-up. Okay, here I'll answer it. I go back here. Now when I tap on the home screen again, it collapses. So if you are on another app, say gallery, so I'm in gallery and I give myself a call. So when I answer the call, it's still showing the pop-up here and I can continue with using the other app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.